Our next award is the TCT Industrial Product Application Award for 2022. Industrial products work behind the scenes to keep our industries working, whether it be factory automation equipment, farming tools, or material handling machines. There is little that is not touched by an industrial designer. 3D technologies are being increasingly adopted by this sector to drive unique developments. Once again, the judges have chosen 2 of the finalists in this category as highly commended. So the first highly commended project in this category is Modular Grooving System, Tech Lead SLM Solutions in partnership with Bergermeyer, AM, and ZCC Cutting Tools. Congratulations to them. And the second highly commended project in this category is Modular Mold Set, Tech Lead PepsiCo in partnership with Carbon, Nectar 3D, Blow Molding Technologies, and Plastic Technologies, Inc. Well done, congratulations. And now the winner of the TCT Industrial Product Application Award 2022 is C-Block Tech Lead Cold Pad in partnership with EDF, Arkema, and Erpro.
This heavy-duty molded mechanical fastener is designed for concrete surfaces. To achieve the required anti-sliding performances, the fastener has to accommodate the occurrence of a crack into the concrete. In order to give sufficient flexibility transversely and to achieve a relative high stiffness and tension, a 3D printed intermediate decoration layer is introduced between the metallic fastener and the concrete surface. The 3D pattern of repetitive microstructures generates the required macroscopic and isometric.
Yeah, so hello everybody. A small word on the product. Maybe nobody here knows who is Cold Pad or what is C-Block. Basically, we created the anchor of the future, or what I'm saying, maybe the anchor of the present. And we managed to do that using 3D printing. Basically, we created something that will let everybody here put an anchor on the wall without putting any hole on the wall. And that can be very interesting for some applications like nuclear applications today, but tomorrow maybe civil engineering. And we use 3D printing to have something, let's say, stiff enough to be able to, for the equipment to be put to stay in place, but also flexible enough to be able to move in case of seism or presence of crack in concrete. And that was something patented and would not have been possible without 3D printing. So thank you everybody here for making 3D printing work and for making our, let's say, engineering ideas become reality. And to all my colleagues in France, just want to tell them it's coming home.